How to find the Target return policy on target.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. If you need to learn about Target's return policy online, then here's a simple step-by-step guide to find it on target.com. First, open up your web browser and then go to target.com. Now, once the home page loads, you need to scroll down to the bottom, and here under help, you can see returns option. Just tap on it. And then here you can see two options: start a return, view return policy. So tap on view return policy, and then you'll be taken to the page that explains Target's return guidelines. So you can see various FAQs. You can tap on the drop down and view the answers. You'll find important details about how long you have to return different types of items, what items are eligible for return, and how to start a return online. And you can see special rules that might apply. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.